Hey y'all, you say we throw a ball and maybe get on the griddle. What we have here is a failure to griddle. Actually, I just haven't had time to griddle and it's driving me crazy. Or crazier. This is my homemade ghee. Oh, now I can hear myself. That may be too much ghee. Back here you go. So, we got these here steaks. What kind of steaks, you ask? These are tri-tip, y'all. Yum. Tri-tip. Now, I actually took it out and seasoned it yesterday. And I was all ready to cook. I was so excited. I was so happy. And a little minor emergency cropped up and I had to leave. So it's been sitting in the fridge with a little bit of my salt, pepper, garlic, Mrs. Dash, paprika, etc. blend. And Trader Joe's Barbecue 101 seasoning. I should get more of this before it sells out. It's been sitting with the dry rub for 24 hours or more. Actually 28 hours or so. Hopefully it'll be nice and tenderized and that flavor will have soaked in. I think I can turn this up a little maybe. It's good tri-tip. Love to smoke it. I'm gonna try sous videing some tri-tip and then getting the sear. Anyway, we're gonna let it go. And I'll flip it and sear it and flip it and sear it and sear it and flip it, and we'll be back. Okay, I'm getting ready to turn it. Just wanted to show you, see the little openings there in the meat? That means my rub worked. It drew out moisture, and this should be super tender. Broke up the proteins or something like that. We'll find out. Just listen to that sizzle. And I'm going to add a little more ghee here to the top. Let it melt in. There's a puppy dog dropping a tennis ball on my feet. Trying to trip me. Yum, yum. Okay. Let that soak in while it's cooking with the seasoning. Sprinkle a little more on top. Let the ghee just carry that around. Making myself hungry. So, according to the trusty thermometer, mine's got a little ways to go. I get the big one. I want mine medium rare. It's about 135. Actually, that's about done. She likes hers well done. Hey, she's entitled, which is about 155. And hers is about done. Trying to get the char all the way around. That sear that we love. Get it on edge here. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Oh, yum. Okay, I turned off the griddle. I'm letting her hunk of meat keep cooking just a little while it cools. Let's just take it. Oh, so tender. Look at that, huh? Is that a perfect medium rare or what? I think that's a perfect medium rare. It's mooing a little. Huh? Yeah. Moo. Anyway, that's it, y'all. Tri-tip steaks on the Blackstone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for helpful hints. And most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!